Lockheed Martin's sixth-generation fighter jet concept drawing also predates the NGAD. A particularly famous occurrence is the company's 2012 calendar, which featured a concept drawing of a next-generation fighter. It was credited to Sh0ck Works, Lockheed Martin's clandestine advanced design group, and looked a lot like the YF-23, Northrop Grumman's fifth-generation jet concept, which lost the advanced tactical fighter competition to the F-22 in 1991. The same concept later appeared in other promotional movies, most notably the 2017 video Sh0ck Works, On the Path to 75 Years of Innovation, which presented the most thorough glimpse of the design thus far. The corporation has not openly tied the design with the NGAD program, just referring to it as tomorrow's fighter. However, given there is no other sixth-generation fighter aircraft program now in development in the U.S., it appears probable that a link might be established. It must be highlighted that out of all sixth-generation fighter ideas presented by U.S.-based corporations, this is most similar those designed outside of the United States. Europe's FCAS, Japan's FX, as well as the Tempest, built by a UK-centered team, all include tails with just vertical surfaces. However, this is not the only agreement being studied by Lockheed Martin. The corporation shared another concept image, which is strikingly evocative of the flying wing developed by Northrop Grumman. The above image began to make the rounds at the same time as the Sh0ck Works design and is thought to have initially emerged as a concept sketch of the F/AXX, the U.S. Navy's forerunner to the NGAD. The USN started the F/AXX program in 2012, arguably the world's first endeavor to obtain a sixth-generation fighter jet split into many initiatives rather than resulting in the procurement of an actual aircraft. Lockheed Martin and Boeing were the program's two principal participants and presumably carried their suggestions over when the Navy launched its NGAD endeavor.